bought this little picture to remind me of the day I had a royal invitation to a garden party at Buckingham Palace a few years ago. That's the entrance I used before walking through the palace into the garden. The wonderful thing about the invitation is that I wasn't invited because of anything that I'd done. I was representing an organisation that was celebrating its centenary. In other words, I gained access to the royal palace because of what somebody else had done many years ago. It reminds me of our position concerning heaven. There is no way I can enter heaven through my own efforts. However, because of what Jesus did many years ago, if I place my trust and faith in him, heaven's doors are opened wide to let me in. And the same goes for everybody else throughout the world. How do I know? Because of what it says in the Bible. He, that is God, doesn't want anyone lost. He's giving everyone space and time to change. What change does he want us to make? To agree that God really does know best and make a decision to follow his way.
Jesus, the one that I want. The one I need. Oh yes I do. He's the one that I want. Jesus, the one